Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable, the Head of Economic of Education Study Program, Mrs. Professor Dr. Sri Indah Nikansari, MSI, the Honorable, the Guide Lecturer, Mr. Ahmad Fauzi, MAK. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Nadia Anissa Putri from Economic Education, especially Consultation of Accounting Education 2019. In this occasion, I want to present my internship report with the title Report at PT Aerofood Indonesia, Garuda Indonesia Group, Soekarno-Hatta International Airport Office, Cengkareng. And this is the topic I will present. Our first, place field of work practice, company profile, company structure, company field of business, my job as an intern, and the last, the obstacle and how to solve it. And this is place field of work practice, the company name, PT Aerofood Indonesia, Garuda Indonesia Group, in Department Accounting and Finance, and the address is Jakarta Soekarno-Hatta International Airport. PT Aerofood Indonesia is part of PT Aerowisata, which is a subsidiary of the Garuda Indonesia Group. There are several company units under the supervision of PT Aerowisata, which are engaged in tour, travel, transportation, and catering. The business unit engaged in the catering is PT Aerofood Indonesia. The activities of this company are engaged in aviation food service, which work will to meet the needs of food and beverage service, as well as cabin and laundry service, while also serving catering for the non-airline industry. PT Aerofood Indonesia has a vision, mission, and company value. The first is related to vision of PT Aerofood Indonesia becoming a world-class food service company. Then in supporting this vision, PT Aerofood Indonesia has the following mission. The mission is first, providing food and service solution for customer satisfaction, improve organizational capability by accelerating human research development and innovating process and technology, and maximize corporate value for shareholders by gaining worldwide recognition. And PT Aerofood Indonesia have company value. First is integrity, be consistent in thought, word, and deed by upholding honesty, ethic, and determination in condition, professional, work wholeheartedly, intelligently, and with discipline, oriented to excellent service and customer satisfaction. And the third is synergy, able to establish and build quality corporation to generate added value by respecting, trusting, open, and mutually beneficial. And the last is care for environment, building and increasing positive awareness of the importance of moral and social responsibility, as well as creating a healthy, safe, and comfortable environment for the sustainability of the company and quality community life. And then this is a company structure of PT Aerofood Indonesia consisting of the general manager, then manager in each department, and the under assistant by division head in each division within PT Aerofood Indonesia. The next is company field of business. First is in-flight catering. PT Aerofood Indonesia provide more than 1.5 million servings of food per month to 14 commercial airlines. The second is industrial catering. Apart from the airline company, PT Aerofood Indonesia also serve other catering industry such as hospital kitchen. Third is Garuda Support. The company provide in-flight logistics in the handling of tableware, service, and procurement of cabin supplies, dry goods, and distribution of beverage and foodstuff. During the internship period, there are a scope of tasks that are part of my job as an intern. First is handling report, bookkeeping, inventory. Handling inventory is a series of activity in the process of checking the availability of goods, both raw material and finished material that are owned by the company regularly every month. In doing the inventory recap, first check inventory department store to see the inventory health data. The data inventory that were checked is inventory monouse, perfume, food, beverage, office supplies, engineering, gas laboratory supply, dry ice, dry goods, utensil, and fuel. Every checking of an inventory must get approval by each head item. Then this Second is record inventory into Excel and submit it to the head of accounting to be processed. Next is to open a system application and processing SAP application in the form of an application program that is used to process and store all data at PT Aerofood Indonesia. After loading the goods out and receiving the store request from that has received approval, that warehouse staff process the data into the SAP application, which is then exported in Excel form. And then create inventory report with data in SAP, which must be equated with data in SAP. If something is different, change will be made to both the data in the accounting department or the store so that the final number made by the practitioner must be balanced with the SAP application. And the last is submit to head office. And the second is recording advance payment. Advance payment is a record made by accounting and finance in the form of proof of vendor payment transaction from several departments at PT Aerofood Indonesia. First, seed advance payment, which is proof of advance payment, is used by another department and receive a purchase order, OPO, that's the number. And the second is recording in the SAP application using T code F02, the account code for the debit position is 29V while 31 for credit position. In recording advance payment, the practitioner asks for the reference code obtained from the AP, account payable section, entering the vendor code according to department that is doing the shopping. Then the practitioner enters the nominal amount of money used and end with the balance in the SAP application. And the third is issue statement of payment and journal using T-code ZFIF001, then enter the posting that adjusts to the recording date, which is automatically available after the advance payment is recorded. The practitioner also does journaling in SAP, then submit to the cashier to shut down his bank account that the transaction has been completed. And the next is handling of good receipts. Receipts of good is handling process when PT Aerofood Indonesia receive input goods that are spent by the purchasing firm of a breakdown of purchase item as detailed evidence of what item were purchased by the purchasing department. Receipt of goods is daily, which means that every day the accounting and finance handle that its transaction of receiving goods. Overall, receipt of goods is recorded in the SAP application. And for the process is first receive a purchase order or PO from the purchasing department. And the second, open the SAP application using the Migo. Next, check the item received according to the purchase order in order sheet. If everything is correct, then the practitioner will post the item and then a new document number will be appear as a proof that the receipt of the goods has been input in SAP. And the next is breakdown sales per customer. The purpose of this activity is to see the amount of revenue and budget in the use of cost that will be received by PT Aerofood Indonesia from customer who have used PT Aerofood Indonesia product. And the catering company, especially PT Aerofood Indonesia, the measure of success is the number of sales practitioner compare sales with the previous year every month. Firstly, entering PAX data, and the second is entering the number of flights, and the third is input revenue, and the last is deliver to head office. And the last is reconciliation ending sale of a customer. Sales reconciliation customer is a series of information record that explain the difference in cash income. If there is a difference in the number cash income, then a review is carried out with company data and customer data. First, receive customer from the finance that has been exported, sheet Excel furthermore. The sales data is reviewed by practice customer with the company if between customer data and data if there are difference in the company. It is necessary to carry out a true review. And the last is submit reconciliation data to head accounting. And this is the update from my job as an intern. First is the SAP application sometimes experience database problem so that the acceptance and use input process is slightly hampered. And the second is error in selecting to the ticket name in the SAP application, resulting in the failure of the shared transaction. there are no transactions that have been input into the SAP application, so that SOP or statement of payment and journals cannot be published. And the last is the store department is late in sending inventory data to the accounting department, resulting in a delay in the inventory report implementation process. And how to resolve it, the problem or the absolutics, that is first, the practitioner coordinate with the company regarding the distribution of the SAP application database because the IT has the authority. And the second is coordinate with other accounting staff regarding error in filling in the T-code and asking for the correct T-code. And the third is the coordinate with the account payable staff to find out why it is not input and try to restart, then start from scratch. And the last is continue to contact the warehouse party or the department store who is late in sending inventory data and ask about the problem so that the practitioner as me can help. I think that's enough for my presentation about the internship report at PT Aerofood Indonesia. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.